Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are good and you all have started your study. Students, we are doing chapter number 3. Chapter number 3 name is subtraction. Subtractions means to take difference. Okay? So start with today's date. Today's date is 7th of July 2021. Day is Wednesday. On the right hand side, you all will write great task. Okay, this exercise is on page number 41. So let us start. What we will do in this exercise, we will do subtractions of bigger numbers. Bigger number, like here 4-digit numbers are given to you. So ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, so let us start. A part you have to do in book, B part same way we will do in notebook. So students, first question is 2216. 2216. So it is ones place. Okay, tens, hundreds, and this one is thousand. 4-digit number is here 2216, and 203 you have to subtract. So simple way, up one digit is bigger, like 6 is bigger than 3. So simply direct we can subtract. 6 minus 3 is 3. 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0 and 2 as it is. So answer is 2013. Clear? Come to next one. 3098 minus 2085. So again, up one number is bigger, down one is smaller. So simple way we can do direct subtraction. 8 minus 5 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. And 3 minus 2 is 1. Very simple questions. 1013. Okay. Come to next now. Come to question number 3. 4894 minus 2432. So simple way this also. 4 minus 2 is 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So fourth question also, students, it is simple. No need to take borrow. Okay. Fifth also. Come to sixth part. See, some students are doing mistakes. So you have to do practice. More practice if you will do, mistake should not be there. Okay. Now see, 6978 you have to subtract 1759. So see students, here number is 8. Okay, down one number is 9. Down one is bigger. Okay, from smaller we cannot subtract bigger. So what we will do, we have to take borrow from the neighbor. So neighbor number is 7. Okay, neighbor one number is 7. So 7 has given borrow to 8. Now 8 will become 18. And who has given borrow, that number will be 1 less. So it will be 6 now. Okay, now forget 7 and here you have to forget 8. Now you are having number 18. Okay, and 9 down is 9. So 18 minus 9 is 9. Here you will see now number 6 only. You will not see now 7. 6. 6 minus 5 we will do. So 6 minus 5 will be 1. Okay, will be 1. Now next number is 9. Down one number is 7. So no need to take borrow. So here simply we will subtract. 9 minus 7 is 2. And here 6 minus 1 is 5. So answer will be 5290. Clear? See the seventh part now. 7854 minus 4660. So here ones place that there is 4, down is 0. So 4 minus 0 is 4 only. 5 minus 6 we cannot do. So we will take borrow from the neighbor. Neighbor number is 8. So 8 will give borrow. So 5 will become 15. And 8 has given borrow. So it will be 1 less. So it will be now 7. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 we will do. 15 minus 6, 9. You will start counting from 7 now. 7, 8, 10, 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So see, it will be 9. Now 7 minus 6 is 1, and here 7 minus 4 we can do easily. Okay, so that is equal to 3. So 3194. Okay, eighth question is also very simple. Now students, come to B part. B part you will do in your notebook. Chapter 3, subtraction, exercise 3.2, part B. Write in columns and subtract. Means you have to arrange these numbers in columns. Columns means like this: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So first question is 495. You have to subtract from 8695. So start with this 8695, bigger number. After from what number is given to you, you have to write that one first. Okay, so 6895 minus 495. Very simple. 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay, 9 minus 9 is 0, 6 minus 4 is 2, and 8 as it is. So 8200 will be your answer. Next is 1585. You have to subtract from 1586. Orally also we can do it. 1586 you have to minus 1585. So answer will be 1. Okay. So do this. 6 minus 5 is 1, 8 minus 8 0, 5 minus 5 0, 1 minus 1 0. Third one, 2316 from 6456. So which number, students? We will write first this one. After from what number, you can see this number is bigger also. Always bigger number we are writing up. Okay, so 6456 minus 2316. So 6 minus 6 0, 5 minus 1 4, 4 minus 3 1, 6 minus 2 4. So simple. I hope no difficulty will be here. This also fourth part is simple only. So come to this eighth one. Eighth also without borrow. Okay, now ninth also. See ninth one. 6252 from 6253. Very simple. Here 53, that side is 52. So same, 6252 you have to subtract from 6253. Okay, so answer will be 1. These parts you have to try yourself. Part 5, 6 and 7 do yourself in notebook. Okay, don't leave these parts. Don't leave. Complete homework you have to do. Some questions are homework. Some questions you have to try. We are giving to try. You have to do yourself. Okay. So complete all parts. Don't leave any of the part. Total 9 parts are there. So you have to complete all 9 parts in your notebook. Okay. Daily basis complete your work. Then you will not face any problem. Have a good day to all. God bless.